So in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to do the trick revolutions. It looks like this. It's a pretty cool trick. Let's go. So the first thing you need to do is throw a 1.5 mount that looks like this. And you can get to that from a standard trapeze and then just throw over and loop over like that. Or you can go straight into it. You can do whatever you like. So first thing you need to do is get into a 1.5 mount that looks like this. So once you're in a 1.5 mount, it's definitely worth noting how the revolutions comes about, because actually all you're doing is you are creating a loop out the back that you're going to let go of. That's this bit out the back here. And then you are pinching here, and then all you're doing is you are going to rotate the yo-yo inside and outside of your arm. So it looks like this, but obviously you've got that loop coming out the back. So we do that by crossing our arms over and pinching, and then as we release this, we start the rotation and rotate inside, then outside, inside, and then outside. So that looks like this. But eventually you're going to do that all in one motion. So that should look like this. If you do it quick enough, it's pretty cool. And then to get out of this, I just release it as it's about to go up, and then land it in a trapeze. So I'll do this again, and I'll put a slow-mo in here. What you're doing is you are throwing a breakaway, going into a 1.5 mount, you pinch, and then you do that loop inside and outside, and that should look like this. Couple of tips for you: make sure there's no string tension, because if you have, that loop will look rubbish. Try and do it all in one motion as well, because that will also help with the flow and things like that. But actually you'll probably find that you'll be able to incorporate it into other tricks. If you have any issues, you know where I am. Just shoot a message or whatever. Thanks for watching. If you have any more suggestions for tutorials, give me a shout. Thank you.